Welcome! In front of me I have Cubot X20 and today I will show you how you can adjust notification bar shortcuts. So at first you have to open your notification bar and then tap on this icon. Right now if you want to change position of any icon, for example you want to put auto rotate between Wi-Fi and mobile data, click, hold and then drag it like that. The next we can add additional icons like nightlight, for example. So do the same, click, hold and then put it here. And you can also remove icons like battery saver. So as you can see right now it's set up, we can go back and that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.